Railway works are huge, complex sites, and Alstom's Derby Litchurch Lane Works covers a tremendous 90 acres. Recreating it in model form is a big challenge because you need so much space. However, we've decided to replicate part of the central spine of the site on the approach to G-Shop. In part 2 of this series, sponsored by TMC The Model Centre, Mike Wild shows us how to lay the track and alter the Pico points to get the perfect finish on the hardstanding, assembles the massive 8-road shed, and we get trains running to test that the whole layout works, all ahead of its public debut in Derby at the Greatest Gathering. Join us as we present Building Derby Works in Double O Gauge, available to watch for free only on keymodelworld.com.
So you're building a model railway. Here at TMC The Model Centre we cater for all your modelling needs, whether that's Pico track, Woodland Scenics accessories, even DCC Concepts layout control. And as you'll see behind me, we have a very small selection of one of many different brands we stock, such as Oxford Diecast, Hornby, Bachmann, even a Curascale. Take a look at our website to see the full range of our products. And don't forget, every Friday we upload our new pre-owned listings if you'd like to save a little bit more on your layout build. Perhaps you're stuck with an aspect of railway modelling, or any other aspect of modelling for that fact. Our customer service team is just an email or a phone call away. For everything else, you can visit our website at themodelcentre.com, and if you're passing in the area near Beckhole, Whitby, pop in and see our showroom.